Okay, it's morning briefing for Friday, the 22nd of May 2026. Just having a quick look at what happened yesterday, Thursday. Initially, had to wait for this Asian opening range to break. There was a number of spike outs, lots of traps, and then finally price moved up to the previous day's high and looked like it was going to break out, and I looked for a long here and price reversed really strongly, and so I didn't have much of a chance to move my stop up or anything because often it'll reverse a little bit and then move off. And there was a nice trade coming off this hourly close. It closed below the point of control and it also closed below the upper value line, so it was looking quite nice, and it was just a short trade from a level trade into here. It eventually made it back down to a previous high that got closed above, so that resistance then became support. And a little bit later on there was another nice push down for another nice trade if you were looking for that. Coming into today, we're once again stuck inside this 1 p.m. drive up, so very bullish. So we're going to start altering a few lines and see if price can get out of here. So I'll just switch on my fixed range volume profile. So we're already above the fixed ranged volume profile value area high, so that's quite bullish signal. Point of controls down here. So we can switch that off now, clear it up a little bit. We've got the previous high here. The inflection points, we're above the inflection point. So really, it's going to be very difficult to take a sell in here with the inflection point, but if we get an hourly close below that, we might be able to target this range. So I'm just going to mark off this hourly's range here. Quite often Asia, we might chop around in this. We're still, even in this inside candle here, we're stuck in that range as well. So multiple inside candles. We're spiking out these highs here. But as I said, this inflection point, if I was looking for a breakout sell, that would give me cause for concern, as we're trading into that and we're trading into the volume profile value area high. So my preference would be maybe a sweep here and then a trade up, but you have to be mindful of this upper value line here.